Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos. Press that notification bell if you want more. Windy out today. There he is.
What's up, Stuart?
I blame Donald Trump. It's too cold.
What it is, Dan?
Oh, I missed him. There he is. What are you doing?
Precise Pittsburgh tools. Coronafied.
Coronavirus fine.
It was a little loosey-goosey, so she's super tight now.
Can't beat that.
Do it.
All drivers to the drivers meeting now.
Yeah, we got to do it.
All right, they got us driving the track. Car looks really quick. Getting through the bathroom window. We passed tech. A couple of minor issues I got to get fixed for next time, but you know, whatever, no big deal. This is my first time at this event with this car, so you're gonna find something. I'm excited. I'm ready to roll.
This is a pretty exciting car right here. You can take the whole family for a ride.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos. Press that notification bell if you want more. Nip shot. Shameless titty plug. This whole setup was all for that. It was just to get the titty plug. Shameless titty plug. Did we miss the fart?
No, I think I got it.